Hello ACCA students, are you ready to take your accounting career to the next level? Whether you are just starting out or transitioning from the applied knowledge exams, today's video will give you a detailed breakdown of the applied skills exam, how long they take, what's included, and how to effectively prepare. So, let's dive right in. Exactly are the ACCA Applied Skills exams. The ACCA Applied Skill exams build on your existing knowledge and understanding, helping you develop practical finance skills that are essential for your future career. The official ACCA website states that the Applied Skills module is equivalent to a master's degree certificate for those who enter through the professional level, while it is equivalent to a bachelor's degree certificate for those who enter through the fundamentals level. To qualify for these exams, you must have either completed the Applied Knowledge exams, achieved the ACCA Diploma in Accounting and Business, or hold a relevant finance or accounting degree. Once you have completed the Applied Skills exams, you can move on to your Strategic Professional exams. Before starting the Applied Skills module, certain requirements must be fulfilled. These may involve completing specific foundational qualifications or prerequisites set by ACCA. Here are some prerequisites that you need to be aware of. Number 1. Applied Knowledge module. You must pass all the applied knowledge papers before moving to the Applied Skills module. These form the foundation for subjects covered in the Applied Skills. Number 2. Pass percentage. You will need at least 50% in each of your applied knowledge papers to pass to the Applied Skills level. Now, let's talk about time frames. The ACCA Applied Skills module typically takes around 12 to 18 months to complete. However, this can vary depending on when you choose to complete the Ethics and Professional Skills module, also known as the EPSM. If you take the EPSM before or after the Applied Skills module, it may impact how long the overall process takes. Now you must be wondering what subjects are included in the Applied Skills exam. Let's take a closer look at each one. Number 1. Audit and Assurance. You will learn the core principles of assurance engagements and how professionals apply them within a structured legal framework. Number 2. Corporate Business Law. You will get an understanding of the general nature of the legal system along with more detailed aspects related to business law, equipping you to recognize when legal advice is needed. Financial Management. You will develop the essential knowledge and skills required by finance managers with a focus on investment decisions, financing, and dividend policies. Financial Reporting. You will enhance your understanding of accounting standards and the theoretical frameworks involved in preparing financial statements for entities and groups, as well as how to analyze these statements using accounting standards. Performance Management. You will learn how to apply management accounting techniques to operational data for planning, decision making, performance evaluation, and control. Taxation. You will acquire fundamental knowledge for tax system, gaining skills related to taxation for individuals, businesses, and companies. Now that you know what subjects are included, let's talk about how to prepare for the applied skills level because planning is the key. If you plan properly, you can complete all 6 subjects in a year with 4 exam sittings. Here's a breakdown of how you can approach it. First 3 months. Focus on the F4 and F7 papers. The F4 paper is 100% multiple choice and since it's 2 hours long, it's a great place to start. F7 will require more preparation, so start early. Next 3 months. Take on F5. This paper demands more time, so give yourself the room to dive deep into the material. Following 3 months. Prepare for F6 and F9. These exams will take some effort but are manageable in this time frame. Last 3 months. Finally tackle F8, which will likely take the most studying. Dedicate at least 3 months for this exam. Now, here are some key tips to keep in mind while preparing. Make sure you cover all sessions of the subject. The exam is structured as 60% MCQs and 40% long answers, so practice both formats. When you solve mock tests, write out the long answers at least twice and time yourself. This will help you manage your exam time effectively. If you notice any errors in your mock test, don't just correct them, rewrite the entire answer to reinforce your learning. Finally, remember that a good coaching class can help you stay organized and give you a structured guidance throughout your exam journey. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the ACCA Applied Skills module. With the right approach, smart planning and consistent preparation, you can master these exams and move on to the next level of your ACCA journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.